Well, hi everybody, Mindy here, and I just wanted to do a quick update on the progress of the Magic EA to show you guys what's happening. Now, I haven't done an update since Friday morning. Today is Tuesday. It is February 12th. It is about 1:45 or so in the morning, so we're currently in the European trading session, and the account that is the primary one that we've been testing is this first account that you see here. It is trading 12 pairs, which are primarily the USD pairs and the JPY pairs. It's trading the Magic EA on 15-minute time charts. Okay, and this is the account that has been trading since the 7th of January. And today's the 12th of February, so we're in like the 6th trading week, right? And currently, the negative PL in the account is right at $968, $970. It fluctuates all the time, as you know. But on Sunday afternoon, the EA had a negative PL down at about $700. So the negative PL is starting to kind of go back up again, and that's because we have more hedges and quick fixers than we had on Sunday. On Sunday afternoon, these trades weren't here, and so, you know, the negative PL is going back up. But one thing I wanted to explain about this is that if you look at the trades that are in this account, almost all of the negative PL, with the exception of maybe about $50 of it, is actually tied back to these two original trades that went in on January 10th, right? Because these two trades that went in went ugly. This one, this top one, went 100 pips ugly, so it picked up a hedge and a quick fixer. And what happened is the quick fixer went ugly enough to pick up its own hedge and quick fixer. And now this quick fixer is kind of ugly. You know, it's about 50 pips ugly, right? So if this goes 100 pips ugly, it will pick up a hedge of its own, right? Now this second trade right here, it went ugly. It picked up a hedge and a quick fixer. The quick fixer went ugly enough to pick up a hedge, and this hedge is actually still waiting to pick up its quick fixer. So it has a quick fixer order down here, which we'll pick up here in a little while. Now, other than that, there's only 3 other positions in the account right now. There's this trade in USD CAD, and then we have these 2 trades that are both in USD JPY. But as you can see, most of the negative PL in the entire account is directly related back to these 2 original trades that went in on January 10th, right? So this is something that I want you to kind of pay attention to, because when you do have trades that start quick fixing and hedging, and then the price starts trending away from the original trade, it can tie up quite a bit of negative PL, right? Just for 2 trades, right? So anyway, that's something that we have to stay on top of. When we go to the account history, we see that so far in this trading day, we've only closed 2 trades for $7.74. But if we want to check and see how it's done since Sunday, we take the custom period, we knock it back to Sunday, and then hit OK. And so far this week, we can see that the account has closed $49.58, right? It was kind of a slow day yesterday, so kind of a small booked profit for yesterday, but that's okay. It'll pick up. Now, this second account here, this is the account that is trading 28 pairs, which are all of the pairs in this list over here on the side of the monitor, and it's also trading 30-minute settings instead of 15-minute settings. But other than that, this account has been trading exactly the same length of time as the first account. But what we see is a dramatic difference when we look at the balance and the equity balance of these two accounts. The one trading the 15-minute time frame has a balance that's 11,921. The balance on the 30-minute account is 13,665, right? Huge difference there by moving up to the higher time frames of 30 minutes instead of 15. Also, the equity balance on this account is up $3,223. That's 32% in 6 weeks of trading, right? That's pretty good. The equity balance on this first account is only up 951. And the equity balance is, of course, the number that you would walk away with if you just wanted to cash in your chips and take your profit right now, right? But at this current time, this account trading the 30-minute time charts is carrying a negative PL of $441, right? And a lot of that is in these 3 hedges and quick fixers that are involved. So if we go to the account history, we see that this account so far today has closed $39.73. And so far this week, it has closed, let's move this back to Sunday, it has closed $108.81. Okay, so not anything real great, but you can see that most of the profit that it made came from closing hedges and quick fixers over and over and over again, right? And that's what the EA is supposed to do. But the good thing about this EA is that even while you're holding negative trades, you're still booking profit by holding the negative trades over and over and over again. You make profit over and over. And so by the time the prices actually turn around and move back toward the original trades, a lot of times you've already made over 100 pips off of this trade by holding it while it was ugly, right? So anyway, that's kind of how the EA works, which I think is pretty amazing. Now this third account, it also is trading the 30-minute time charts. It's trading the 28 pairs on the list here, but this account has only been trading for about 2 weeks, okay? And currently it's holding a negative PL of $242, but it has an equity balance that's up 7%, 7.6%. So $760 of equity balance improvement over when it started trading 2 weeks ago. Okay? Now, when we go to the account history, so far today it hasn't closed anything, but so far this week, when we take this back to Sunday, it has closed $75.11. But here again, you can see that most of the profit that it's booked this week has come from closing hedges and quick fixers over and over and over again, right? So even when you have a slow week and it's not making a lot of new trades, it's kind of nice to have a couple of trades that are ugly enough to hedge and quick fix, because every single time this hedge and quick fix closes again, then every time that happens, you're going to make about $20 of booked profit to add to your balance, right? So anyway, that's the status for the Magic EA for Tuesday, February 12th. And I will do another update in a few days. But if you would like information about the Magic EA and how you can get it for yourself, just come to my website, www.mindyyost.com. If you have questions about the EA, my email address is right up here at the top of my website. It's mindyyost@kc.rr.com. Feel free to email me anytime with questions that you have about Forex or the Magic EA, right? Now, if you'd like to see the pricing information for the Magic EA, you can click here on the Shop Now button, and you can get over to the page where you can choose the license agreement that's, right for you. We offer different license agreements. You can buy just a license for a demo version if you want to try the EA on a demo for a month before you make a decision to invest in a license for a live account. So anyway, that's where you would actually order the Magic EA if you'd like to use it for yourself. But other than that, that's about all the information I have for today, and I'll talk to you again in a few days. So happy trading. Bye for now.